HTML attributes provides additional information about HTML elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually comes in name value pair like name is equal to value. Anchor tag defines a hyperlink. The hrefs attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Use lowercase attributes. The attribute can be written with uppercase or lowercase. However, W3C recommends lowercase attributes in HTML. The HTML standard does not require quote around attributes values. However, W3C recommends quotes in HTML. Followings are some of examples of attributes. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.